Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to refund items in Shopee. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Shopee application into your device. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the Me at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the to receive icon over here on my purchases category. So guys, from here, you should be able to see a button, return slash refund. So guys, since I don't have an order yet, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So when you tap on return slash refund, just simply tap on I have received my item, but there are issues. And after that, just simply select the product that you want to return and select the quantity and just simply go ahead and tap on next. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and select a reason why. And from there, just simply select confirm. And from there, just simply provide the evidence and description. Just simply provide picture and videos to provide evidence and just simply provide description and click on submit. And from there, guys, just simply select a preferred shipping option to return your order to the seller. So you will have there multiple options. So you will have pick up, drop off, or self arrange. So it will be depending on you, but I recommend going for pick up. So a courier will pick up your item and just simply tap on confirm. And from there, guys, once you have submitted a request, just simply wait for the seller to accept it. And from there, guys, a courier will go to your location. And from there, the courier will pick up your item and you will be able to refund it. And remember that the payments will be returning on a Shopee Pay. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.